Hello guys, welcome back to my space. This is Sylverline Achese So-oriari, your paddy for free update. And in today's video, I am going to be talking about one of the best mining platforms I have ever used since I started using the online space. At the end of this video, you're going to be learning three things. First of all, how to convert the local coin of this platform to USDT and how to also withdraw to your Binance, Bybit or Spend wallet. Also, you are also going to be learning the ways of making money on this platform. And lastly, you are going to get to know about what you benefit for joining this platform. So if at the end of this video you find this video useful, please help me do these three things. First of all, go to the comment section and comment thank you after watching this video, or comment what you learned after watching this video. Next is to please give this page a follow or subscribe to our YouTube channel. This way you're going to encourage us to do more. After subscribing to the YouTube channel, make sure to turn on the notification bell. YouTube will always notify you whenever we post educational videos on side hustle platforms like this. Lastly, don't forget to like and share this video with friends so that they will also learn how to get on with this platform. Now let's get started. Before I continue, I want to make a disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Registration is free and every other thing is free aside the KYC process. So I advise you go ahead and make your own research so you don't only rely on the information I am giving out to you on this platform. Always learn to do your own research, and at the end of it you would know if this is worth your time. Now let's go on to our video. This platform is called the BTTOKEN app. It's actually an app and you can get it on Play Store or iOS. But I advise that you check the comment section or the description of this video to get the invitation link, because you cannot register without someone bringing you on board. So if you registered by downloading the app, you'll be asked to get someone's referral code before you are able to get into the platform. So instead of stressing, click on the link in the comment section of this video and get started right away. Firstly, I am going to take you around the app so that you can see the different features we have, and then show you how to place your withdrawal. Lastly, what you benefit from joining this platform. Now, this is a crypto mining platform where you get rewarded every single day for mining RP on the BTTOKEN app. The BTTOKEN app is free. The only things that are not free is to do your KYC. Now we know that most platforms, when you register, they require you to do your KYC. This is because they want just one person to use one account, especially when the coin or the money available is limited, so you cannot use more than one account. During your KYC, you'll be required to provide your name as it is on your birth certificate and other valid means of identification. Also, you'll be verifying your face. This is going to make you not able to have more than one account. So one account is already okay for this, except you're trying to help someone get an account for them. How to navigate the BTTOKEN platform? This is the home page. This is the home page and this is the mine page. Okay, this is the home page and this is where we mine. You can see that I have mined for today a total of 38.45 million RP. Now allocation is on the 16th of every month, and for this month allocation was few days ago. So for this purpose, the next allocation is going to be on the 16th of June 2026, because I'm currently recording this video in the month of May. So during allocation, your mined RP is automatically converted from RP to BTT. BTT is a local coin for BTTOKEN, and from BTT you can now sell off on the P2P exchange place for USDT, and then you can withdraw USDT to your Bybit or Binance or any crypto wallet or exchange you practically use, so long as it has USDT BEP20 wallet address there. Now we mine every 24 hours, but while mining we have an opportunity to increase our mining, and two ways you can increase your mining. One is to watch ads on the booster part of the app. Now you can get a free booster, which I don't usually like to use because it is too slow and it is too small. I prefer to spend $5 every month to get my BTTOKEN bot. Getting a bot is completely optional. I am doing it because it is what I love to do, not because BTOKEN forced me to do it. So if you want to get a bot, you can reach out to any agent that is actually doing it, or you can fund your wallet with $10. But if you do not have $10, then I advise you to reach out to an agent to help you fund your account with at least $1, and you can get the bot. So if I click right here on my booster, you are going to see that I have 12 ads I am supposed to watch, but whatever I watch from these 12 ads is not going to be anything close to what I'll be getting from my $5 bot. All right, but if you do not have the funds to get a bot, I advise you maintain this. The second way is by getting a bot, so you can get a bot and use it for your own advantage. Another thing to do on this place is to come to your aim. After your mine, click on aim and watch a 20 ads every single day. So you get 5,000 RP for each ad you watch. Okay, so 5,000 RP for each ad you watch. So you can do the equivalent and see what you'll be getting at the end of the day. Then aside that, BTOKEN now added another option for us to do our strike. So every day after you watch the ad, you can click on strike to claim your reward. That is also an RP that will be given to you to help boost your mining or your earnings on the mining platform. If you also want to make more money on this platform, then you need to invite your friends to build a community. I currently have over 20,000 users here. Okay, I currently have over 20,000 users here, because most persons ask me, how do you make so much from the BTOKEN app? I have over 20,000 community members. I know that not all my members are active, but at least 1 to 2% are still actively mining here. So if you want to get results from this app, you need to be consistent. So when you come here, you click on your referral link and invite your friends so as to help you build a community and earn more money. So these are the ways to make more money on the BTOKEN app. 1, you need to invite your friends. 2, you need to watch ads to increase your earning. 1 ads will grant you 5,000 RP. If you watch 20, you're going to be getting more. Then if you click on the booster to watch ads, you are also going to be getting an extra RP whenever your timer elapses. Now, these are things you need to know about the platform. If you want to see your profile, you click on profile to get your profile details. If you now want to place withdrawal, how do you go about it? First of all, you click on your wallet and then you can see that I have 39,000 RP. 39,000 RP is $390 if converted by 0.01 USDT. I have $390 from this. Okay, so BTOKEN is currently not listed, but they said during listing or after listing it is going to be $0.5 per 1 BTOKEN, but currently it is not listed because BTOKEN app will be 2 years this year. Okay, most persons mine Pi for 5 years before they could even see anything to get out of it. So I advise you are patient enough so you are going to benefit more from this platform. Currently BTOKEN is being sold for 0.01 USDT. So if I sell $390, my 39,000 BTT, I am going to be getting $390 by 0.01 USDT. Now let's go over to withdrawal. I'll click on P2P because I have already done my KYC. If you haven't done your KYC, you will not be able to convert BTT or sell off BTT for USDT. So please take note. I click on P2P and then I click on Start P2P Trading. When this opens up, you're also going to be you're going to see that I already have 11 USDT on my balance. But in this video, I am going to be showing you how to sell off BTT for USDT first. Then I am now going to show you how to now withdraw your USDT from the BTOKEN app. If you've watched to this stage in this video, please go to the comment section and comment thank you. Go to the comment section and comment thank you, because it's a lot of sacrifice for me to sell off my BTT for USDT. I currently have money I'm spending, so I do not need money from my BTOKEN app. But for educational purpose, I am going to be doing that so you can see how to go about it. What I have to do here when I come here is to click on sell quotes, because I want to sell BTT for USDT. I click on sell quotes and I scroll down to what the amount I want to sell. So let's say I want to sell 26 So this person is buying, you can sell up to 26,000. Okay, so you can sell up to 2,646 naira BTT. So if I sell 1,000 BTT, I am going to be getting $10. If I sell 2,000 BTT, I am going to be getting $20. Okay, so if I sell off 32,646, it means I am going to be getting 37.32 USDT. So let's see if I can sell more than that. For this video, I am going to go ahead and sell off 2,646 BTT. So I'm going to click on sell, and then I'm going to put 24. Let's see, go back, 2646. Okay, and I'm done. And what do? I click on sell BTT now. So confirm to proceed with the BTT sale. Yes, proceed. Action was successful. I have sold off a small amount of my BTT because I had 39,000 BTT, but I sold out 2,000 plus. So what I have here is now 49.16. So if I want to withdraw this to my Binance or Bybit, I am going to go ahead and click on withdraw, and then they will ask me for my wallet address. Okay, and read down here, they said BNB Smart Chain Network. Anything that is not BNB Smart Chain, you're going to lose your money. So go to your Bybit or Binance and click on deposit. Okay, but I'm not going to be using Bybit or Binance for this. So let us go into the app I'm going to be using for this. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using my Spend wallet because it is kind of easier, and this app has the ability of receiving dollar and converting it to the local Nigerian naira. I don't know if this app is available for other countries. I'm currently in Nigeria, and as a Nigerian, I am able to use this app to withdraw whenever I want to. But for you, you might be using Binance or Bybit or Mexi, so you can try them out. But for Spend wallet, I am not sure it is available for other countries outside Nigeria. So I'm going to click on deposit, and I'm going to click on USDT because what I sold BTT to is USDT. So I'm going to click on USDT, and this is BNB Smart Chain. So I'm going to click on it and copy my wallet address. My wallet address has been copied, so I'm going to come back to this app, and I do not want to withdraw all $49. You know why? I like to buy bots for $5, so I'm just going to do 40. Let's say I'm going to do 44. I'm going to do 44 instead of 49. So I'm going to do 44, and I'm going to attach my wallet address, and then they are going to send me a code on Telegram. Mind you, if you do not have the Telegram account, you will not be able to register on this app. So while you're trying to get registered, please go on Play Store or iOS and download the Telegram app so that you'll be able to use it. So I'm going to go over to my Telegram and see if I've been sent a code. I'll put the confirmation code here, click on proceed, and I'm going to wait for them to deposit me. I'm getting the code. I'm going to click on submit. I'm going to click on submit, and if you come down here, you're going to see withdrawal pending. Okay, and they are going to charge me 5% from this money I want to withdraw. Okay, so this is all for this video. If you have questions, you need me to make more videos to cover this app, please leave it on the comment section of this video. If you also need me to record a video showing you how to get a bot, please leave it on the comment section, and I'm going to do that for you. Make sure to watch the video from the beginning to the end, so you're going to see every process and not miss any of it. Thank you for watching this video to the end. My name is Sylverline Achese. Till I come your way next time, bye for now.